mongirore migao no Beatrice Inyangala kalure gi lai manyien machwalo omenda ne jopuonjre kuonde tiegruok mamalo, lai ma bende osekwa kod midhiero mopogore opogore. Chenrono nowito oko e doho e okang' mar ariyo, gino mano chuno tend migao mar somo mondo chwal ng'ur margi e doho mamalo.
It is not reflected. Listening to students in my county, they are saying it's like everything was gotten wrong. And for me, it is about your data. How did you get your data? And surely, when the student is feeling, you can be feeling saying that we earn this amount of money. I'm living in a house that is a permanent house, while they live in that houses. Why are they saying that? They are saying that because they don't want to look poor. But when the rubber meets the road, the reality checks in. The parents cannot afford to pay.
We undertook a survey, Honorable Chair, and 53% of the students indicated that their forms had been completed in a cyber, and they were not very sure what was put in those forms. So that was a very big issue that caused the problems with the implementation, because the students would go to cybers and just leave the forms there, and then the staff of the cyber would fill for them. So we identified that as a major obstacle. And obviously then when you feed a model with the wrong information, what comes out will also not be good. But that being the case, Honorable Chair, we do have an appeal mechanism. And students who felt that they had been put in the wrong band had an opportunity to appeal, and then the data that they had completed would be reviewed.